I'm using eye pencil for my lips. Sue me. Sue me, Susie. Hi lovies, my name is Sarima and you're welcome to Studio Sarima. Thank you for tuning in for today's video because I'm going to teach you all about contouring. I'm going to teach you where to place your contour, how to place it, and how to blend it so that you can get that chiseled look, slim face, and the overall snatched face in general. For the eyes, I didn't really know where I was going with my eyes today, to be honest. I just knew that I wanted blues and greens and the white waterline, but like I didn't know what I wanted to do. Like overall, I didn't have a clear vision. Either way, I ended up here and I love it. If you want to see how I achieved this entire face with a heavy focus on contours, want to learn how to contour your face, keep on watching. I'll be doing my liquid contour with Maybelline's Fit Me in 375. So I'm just going to take it, put it right here. When you're contouring your face, try to make sure that your contour is at an angle where it starts at the top of your ear, like so, and it touches the edge of your lips. So for me, it would be like this. Can you see? That's the angle that I'm following. I don't do, you know how people would be like, people will tell you, oh, if you're gonna contour, stuck your lips like this, go and follow the line. Nah, that makes your contour, it drags your contour down and it just makes your face look like, it just makes your face look low, if that makes any sense, as opposed to the lift that you get when you contour higher, right? So you want to take your contour, put your pencil or your brush like this, and that angle is where you want your contour to be. So for me, my contours are usually like right here, down there, like that. I don't bring it all the way down to my lips. Like, don't bring it all the way down to your lips. So for this side, it will be from here, right, all the way there. I'm looking for an intense contour today. I contour my forehead. This is what I do and what works for me. I just put my contour like here. I don't put it across my forehead. I let it surround my highlight, my forehead highlight, like this. This is what I do. This is how I contour my forehead. I'm not saying this is the best way to do it, but this is what works for me. And if you're here, you already know that I only do what works for me. So yes, that is the forehead contour, the cheek contour. And now for the nose, I typically don't use the same shade I use for my forehead and for my chin on my nose. For the nose, I like to go a little bit lighter. So I'll mix the contour, the 375, with my foundation mix. Yeah. So I'm going to start from here, from my eyebrow, right? I'm gonna contour from the eyebrow down. Over here, down here, for that cute button effect, you know? And to blush up my face, I'll go in with Milk Makeup's Lips Plus Cheek in Work. I'm gonna work my cheeks up. So let's go. So I'm gonna start out by blending out the contour. And when you're blending your contour, you blend upwards, right? You don't blend it down, so you don't drag your face, down. You blend it upwards into the blush area, just like that. I'm blending my contour into my blush, taking it all the way up to my temple. bring it all. Now I'll be going in with my blending brush to blend out my nose, highlight, and contour. So first things first, we just blend the edges. And you're blending inwards, right? Like towards the middle of your nose. You're blending towards the middle. As you can see, my face is blended, like the contour is blended in, highlight, forehead highlight is blended into the contour. There's no lines of demarcation. You can clearly see the parts that I wanted to be highlighted are highlighted, and the parts that I wanted to contour are contoured, period. I'll use my beauty sponge to push the product into the skin further. I'm using the same brush to just like highlight my forehead, chin, and my nose. I'm gonna take the powder down here as well. Now the only parts of my face that are not covered in powder are the contoured area, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. From the same Zaron palette, I'm just using the darkest shade. Yeah, this palette has seen better days. Taking the darkest shade, and I'm using that to enhance my contour with powder. And as always, you're blending up and not down. I'll put a little bit of contour like here to make my chin stand out, because remember the chin is highlighted, so we want to like make it stand out by putting some darkness around it, you know, just like so. For the nose contour, I'll be mixing these two shades, and as always I start from my eyebrow. Now just bring it down the nose, all the way down. Like, I like that shape, like I like this shape right here. I don't know why, I just really like it. So loves, as you can see, I'm all contoured and highlighted to my satisfaction. You can stop where you want, but I think this is a good place for me and I'm satisfied with this. So today's baking is going to be done with Laura Mercier. I'm putting some of the baking powder on my eyebrow just so we can mattify my brows before I go in with eyebrow products. And now I'll be using my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, putting it in my outer V. Oh, I I don't know what I'm doing here, but let's see how this ends up. For my waterline, I'll use NYX's Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil. And I'm going to use the green shade right here, putting it on the front part of my eye. I'll be going in with my Zaron Lengthening Mascara. So I'm going to go in with this silver shade right here, this one. Then I'll use my hand. Thank God I don't have nails on. I'll blend the top part of the shimmer. I'm using eye pencil for my lips. Sue me. Sue me, Susie. ColourPop's Sunny Side. Put it in the middle of my lip. For concealer, I'll be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer shade 20. Super light. I look so white. I look like 50 shades of myself. For highlight, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby and Makeup by Mario's Master Crystal Reflector Highlighter. First going in with Fenty Beauty. I'm going for glam, so I want glitter. I want all the smoke. I want all the smoke, okay? Everywhere is highlighted. I'm loving it. I'll be glossing up my lip today with Anastasia Beverly Hills Amber Lip Gloss. And I am totally obsessed with what I have done to my face. Like, I'm not wiping my face off tonight. I'm going to sleep with my makeup on because who is this? Setting my face with my Scandinavia makeup finishing spray Bridal. This is my face after beating the life out of it. I'm going to change my outfits and I'll be right back. That was the process that got me to this point, and I love my whole face. It came together seamlessly. I hope today's video was helpful. I hope you become better at your contouring. Thank you so much for staying through with me to the end of the video. I'll be back here again next Friday to give you more tips and tricks for your makeup, sis, because we're going to slay all 2021. Okay, see ya.